foodies! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious parsnip and apple puree. This creamy, slightly sweet side dish is the perfect complement to any rich main, like roasted meats or hearty stews. Ready? Let's get started. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of parsnips, peeled and chopped, 2 medium apples, Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work great, also peeled, cored, and chopped, 1 small onion diced, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or olive oil if you're going vegan, 1 cup of vegetable or chicken stock or just water, and optionally, half a cup of heavy cream, milk, or plant-based milk for that extra creaminess. Don't forget salt and black pepper to taste, and maybe some chopped parsley or a drizzle of olive oil for garnish. Alright, let's prep. Peel and chop those parsnips and apples into equal-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, sauté the onion. In a medium saucepan, melt your butter over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's soft and translucent. Now, add in your chopped parsnips, apples, and stock. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the parsnips and apples are super tender. Time to blend. Use an immersion blender or transfer everything to a food processor or blender, and blend until smooth and creamy. If you're using cream or milk, now's the time to add it for a richer texture. Taste and season with salt and black pepper as needed. Then spoon the puree into a serving bowl. Garnish with chopped parsley or a drizzle of olive oil if you like. Quick tips. For a thicker puree, use less stock. For a looser consistency, add more liquid when blending. Want extra flavor? Try a pinch of nutmeg, cinnamon, or thyme. And yes, this puree reheats beautifully, so make it ahead and warm it gently when you're ready to serve. There you have it. A simple, delicious parsnip and apple puree. Perfect for pairing with roasted turkey or braised lamb. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Happy cooking!